Before discussing how to upload a Google Doc or Google folder into your Google Sites, this video is for those that are unfamiliar with Google Docs. And some people are still using, old Microsoft Word files or Excel files, PowerPoints or PDFs. And this is just going to show you how to convert that over into a Google Doc. The process is fairly simple. I recommend that on this little gear icon, you click the settings button and make sure this button, convert uploaded files to Google Docs, is checked, so that when you do upload a Microsoft file or a PowerPoint file, it automatically converts it into a Google Doc. So I'll be modeling this with an old marine bio syllabus that I have that I want to convert over into a Google Doc. It's a one-page for back to school night. And the process is fairly straightforward. You just find your file, and this works the same for Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, Excel, PDF files, image files. You just take them and you drag them into your Google Drive. If you have a folder dedicated to content, you can just drop it into that folder. Images don't change into Google Docs, and neither do PDFs. They stay as their originals, but Microsoft Word files will be converted over into a Google Doc. I do recommend you check that, because on occasion there are some formatting issues as you convert from a Microsoft Word file into a Google Doc. For example, my marine bio syllabus is now 2 pages when it used to be 1. And really all Google Doc has done is it added on a few extra spaces somewhere in there. So it's really just some minor editing that you would need to do in order to get it looking like your original. And so if I wanted to change this back into a 1-pager, I just go in, take out a few extra lines, and I'm back down to my original 1 page. But this will save me time later on, because now I can go, and if I edit this again, it's always going to be saved on my Google Doc. And so again, with a few minor adjustments, I'm kind of down to 1 page again. And that's how you upload a Microsoft Word file. Now, if you have a PDF file that's stored somewhere on your computer, it's basically the same process. All you do is you just take your PDF file and you drop it into your Google Drive. The PDF file stays as a PDF file, and later on you can link directly to this PDF file.